Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. They have for you 2020 Kubota BX23S tractor loader backhoe. It's a subcompact tractor loader backhoe. Unit has 167 hours. It is under full warranty. This unit was sold new on 3/26 of 2020. We'll have basic warranty for 2 years, which will expire 3/26 of 2022. And then you'll have full powertrain warranty until 3/26 of 2026. So you're buying a tractor with a brand new warranty, 167 hours. It has a skid steer quick attach, the LA 340 quick attach front loader, swift attach, and the BT603 backhoe attachment. We're going to start here underneath the hood, start running this tractor so it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll start underneath the hood. So, powered under the hood by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything like that. And of course, it is under warranty, so why would there be? We've done a complete and full service. All filters and oils have been changed. The reason the gentleman bought this new, and then he decided to go to a bigger tractor with a cab, he bought a new LX 2610 with a cab. Hood's in very nice shape, not ding-dented, anything like that. Front grill guard, again, LA 340 quick attach front loader with the swift attach, and does have the skid steer front coupler, which is nice. Has the optional bolt-on cutting edge on the front 48-inch loader bucket. R4 tires. All sheet metal is straight. Backhoe attachment, excellent condition, 12-inch bucket. It's hard to really say a whole lot about a 167-hour tractor. I'll go over here and go over some controls with you. Keep in mind, it is under full warranty. Suspension, nice suspension, high back seat. Kubota's moved your joystick back here. High-low range, full drive. If you want to add a mower deck, you can. It's already prepped, ready for that. PTO in and out, selection of PTO. Nice cup holder that they've done. They've also put a nice little toolbox with a cigarette lighter in it. Tilt wheel. 167 hours. These are a very nice tractor. These are a tractor that I really enjoy. I believe that the BX lineup is a great tractor from Kubota. Does a great job, and it's a nice, well-built piece of machinery. Simple to work on, very easy to service, maintain. If you're a novice guy, I mean, you can maintain this tractor for the rest of your life. Just a very well-built and simple tractor to take care of. So we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up, run around, she does everything it's supposed to do, and illustrate all its functions. see there, this is a 2020 Kubota BX23S, LA340 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach, BT603 backhoe attachment. This is mower ready, mid PTO, 540 PTO. Tractor again is under full warranty. You have a full warranty with this tractor. Purchase date again was 3/26 of 2020. So you have 2-year bumper to bumper. Again 3/26 of 2022, and then you will have 3/26 of 2026 with your powertrain. So you're buying a tractor that has 167 hours, but it's under full warranty. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader on eBay at Mark Supply 88. I want everybody to understand something. Right now, the average Kubota dealer, if he doesn't have one of these in stock, he cannot get it until November or December of this year, if then. A lot of dealers are out of stock of these, and Kubota can't get them to the dealers due to COVID-19. So here is a tractor that is available, that has warranty, and is a like new tractor. So keep that in mind. And I know that information firsthand. So 814-658-3066. I'm Nick Miller, and always thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.